Do you know how much water your aquarium really holds? Many aquarium problems start with wrong volume. Water volume affects fish health, filtration, and dosing. Wrong volume means wrong medication dose. Heaters are sized by water volume. Filters must match tank size. Too many fish stress the water quickly. Start by identifying your tank shape. Most aquariums are rectangular. You only need a measuring tape. Measure the inside length. Next, measure the width. Measure the water height, not the rim. Always measure inside dimensions. Multiply length, width, and height. Using centimeters gives volume in cubic centimeters. Divide by 1,000 to get liters. 60 by 30 by 30 equals 54 liters. Inches are also commonly used. Divide cubic inches by 231. This gives volume in US gallons. 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters. Cube tanks use the same formula. A 40 centimeter cube holds 64 liters. Bow front tanks are slightly different. Use average width for curved fronts. Round tanks need a special formula. Multiply pi by radius squared times height. Radius is half the diameter. Convert cubic centimeters to liters. Never calculate full glass height. Decorations reduce actual water volume. Gravel also displaces water. Real volume is always less than calculated. Subtract about 10 to 15%. This prevents overdosing fish. Manufacturer volume is often empty tank volume. Always double check yourself. Online calculators can help. Manual calculation is most accurate. Stock fish based on real volume. Volume helps plan water changes. Plants also need correct dosing. Saltwater tanks need exact volume. Salinity depends on volume. Measure, calculate, adjust, and apply. Avoid measuring outside dimensions. It takes less than 5 minutes. Anyone can do this. Correct volume means healthy fish. Maintenance becomes predictable. Accuracy prevents future problems. Write your tank volume down. Length times width times height. Thanks for watching.